You can light
Yeah,
it.
you can light it manually by putting a thing in there. Okay. Next thing. Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright, the next thing. What do you do with that, girl?
Why do you give me the dull crap?
That's all there is.
You have something because I saw it.
I'm not wearing it.
When your father made you.
Yeah, I don't have it here.
Well, let me use that.
There we go. Okay, so that's your
My
manual.
contribution.
Is that what it says, manual?
Yeah, if you read the directions, you can figure out what that is.
Lighting instructions before lighting. Open lid during lighting. Select burner, relit, push and hold down on the knob. Slowly for 2, 4, 6 and high. Okay. And this is it's got to be the backup. All right. Automatic shit. Sweet. All right. So let's get the. This next step is to get the. Get all the internal workings in it. More stainless steel. Can only go one way. Alright. Take care of that. We're going to the inside here. Like I said, it's got a nice heavy system there. Easier flame. Ow. Man, that was good. These are your flame holders here. Flame spreader, should I say. As you can see, got a nice, got your little holder over here, and then you got intersection there. Make sure it sits in between there. It's up there. Last one. Okay, very nice. Alright. Yeah, nice stainless steel.
It says that if the interior starts to rust, to sand it and put vegetable oil on it.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe we need to do that as a preventative.
Alright. Got the center one. Okay, there we are. And you who? You're missing?
You want to clip those?
Okay.
Don't think we want those on there, they'll burn off.
Yeah, they will. They come off. The last thing is going to be the little drip.
That rack picks right up off from it, I think.
Drip play. The whole thing does, yeah. Once it's in there. Go from the back here. What do we got here? A little tray. Something attaches to the rear here. Not sure what. Oh, I know. Okay. Let's go back here. Sure, this is another handle. Must be a tray, some sort. Another inner tray, and then here's your grease tray. Okay, locks down. That's the grease tray there. I think this slides out. I think it's locked. I think it's locked from the front somehow. Because it all had its transport. See what's inside here. Okay. Don't worry about that. Alright. There she is. Nice. Very nice. Chill one. Probably if you want to clean it in the end. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. I'm impressed. Alright. I think those all have their own burner connectors inside. All self-adjusting. Okay, and there's your connector for your tank. And of course, we don't have the we don't have a tank because it's one we had was empty. So there we go. Very nice. Now we just got to get a cover for it. We'll buy a cover for it and stay good for a couple years sitting outside. Hopefully a couple years. Hopefully 5. Hoping about 5 years. Seems that one there, one over there lasted us about 3. So, and she just loves the grill. So we're all set. Got a new grill. And the other thing with the Webers, the Weber and the charcoal didn't have a high tempered glass setup, and none of them had. The other thing we're looking for is the drawers. None of them actually had drawers, especially for the price. And she saw this. She saw this last year at Tractor Supply, and it was the end of the season by the time we were looking at them, and we didn't have the funds to buy one because they went discount. And we saw them again. We checked out Walmart. We checked out Lowe's, and they all had the Weber. The Webers and the charcoal ones. It was also I believe it was a charcoal. The charcoal one, and actually has a combination that you can use charcoal or you can use gas. So that's one that would be a nice option. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. And we'll just consider this one around the house. Well, you got a new toy? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Got a new toy? Love you, girl. Okay. Cool features. They two self-closing drawers. Your other compartment holds your tank. Nope, self-closing. And then you turn these, it lets you know that the gas is on by the cool green, blue dial. Push it in, turn it off, and they lock. And I'll do the exact same thing. And that, when you hear that click, they just set the electric on the igniters and start up. Off it goes. It actually shows the igniter. And if you're watching, you can see the spark. Boom. That's all it takes. A glass see-through panel, all stainless steel. All right, and four locking wheels, two front ones are pivoting. No, they're all pivoting. Okay, all pivoting and all